Today we have with us Mr. Karan Chaudhary from the movie Manoranjan, The Entertainment. Welcome to our studio, sir.
Thank you.
You are the director of the movie, as well as the writer, as well as you have written the dialogues, everything.
Yeah.
So tell us something about the movie first.
Okay, I'll begin my theory with a beautiful share. It's like that. इश्क में लुटने का शबब मत पूछ हर किसी के सामने, नाम आएगा मेरा ही, ये कहानी फिर से ही. To be very frank, it's based on me and my two best friends' journey. We've decided after doing our MBA to give it as a thought in the film industry, which actually was not easy, as my dad was a folk singer and he's a very orthodox guy. I have written certain things on paper. I met Mr. Agrawal. I told him about the basic idea. Believe me, the moment I end up narrating the climax and the pre-climax scene, between pre-climax to climax scene to him, he asked me, Karan, this belongs to you? That's your journey? And that was the time. For a moment I took a pause and I was thinking that whether to tell him the truth or not, because sometime in India, if you're talking about autobiography or your biography, it might hurt somebody else's ego also, because that's your first film and you claim that that's based on your life. But fortunately, yes, these are my sanskar. I told him, sir, very frankly, yes, it's based on my life. He said, beta, I am going to produce this film. And I was almost in tears. He told me, you just make 2 or 3 drafts, come back to me, and rest is the history.
हटके, ये हटके ने ना पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को हटा के रख दिया है. जिसको देखो कुछ हटके करने के चक्कर में.
You have a big star cast,
okay,
like Aditi Goetkar and Kavita, the debutant from your movie, and Aryan Vaid,
right,
and other people as well. Why did you choose them? Did you see yourself in them or what?
See, I believe into one thing. Films are always made on paper, and if you're very true on paper, like story, screenplay and dialogues, second step is for the right casting. If you're talking about a star cast, I want cast for my film, not stars, because I'm not very intelligent and I'm not in a position to comment, but let me give an example about Ashoka. Shah Rukh Saab played Shah Rukh himself, not Ashoka. So there the film went wrong. So there I was very, very clear that I want to make a film where the character should be justified. I was looking for a secretary who is basically very thin, who could be justified as a drunken guy, typical North Indian look. Vijay was there perfectly. Mm-hmm. I was looking for some small town guys who are a bit stud, like wrestler kind of look, and quite bola bala kind of guys.
तू भी साला रजनीकांत है. रजनीकांत हाथ में सिगरेट जलाएगा नहीं, बगल में लड़की दबाएगा नहीं.
So Aryan and Sudhanshu was quite close to the character. Okay, now Aditi's part, I'm a diehard Meena Kumari's fan, and to be very frank, this character Maya comes from Meena Kumari's life, and even Kavita's part also. I was looking for a talented girl who should not be beautiful or maybe beautiful. That was not my theory, but question was that she can act in front of camera, because there were performers from NSD and theatres. Everybody like Sudhanshu, Aryan was doing Marathi theatre with Makarand Deshpande. Very few people knows about that, because people got a misconception that Sudhanshu and Aryan are models, but actually they came from theatre background too.
Okay.
So there the question was there were a lot of talented actors into the frame. So you have to get a wonderful girl who should be a good human being as well as a good actress also. Because when you think about a movie, small budget film like 2 CR or 2.5 CR, there you are always bothered about the recovery. So you have to get wonderful actor who can be through with your raw stock, as well as there are wonderful actors also into the frame who can correlate with their chemistry also. If you're not casting right kind of actors, your scene will go like this. So that was the point.
What about the music of the film?
See, I went to a couple of music directors. I don't want to name them out. And being a son of a folk singer, I got a very good sense about the music. I personally believe that rather they were not interested to give me a wonderful music, or rather might be that they were trying to take me for a ride, which I cannot tolerate. So I pick up those 2 guys. Their dad was working with Lakshmikant Pyarelal and himself, they are very talented. Actually, I want folk song, and those guys are from Bijnor, so they was quite clear about that what I want. That's called 4x4 tabla. So I put up 3 item numbers into my film, and one very beautiful romantic duet between Alka Yagnik and Kumar Sanu Saab, which has been pictured on Kavita and Aryan Vaid. And I'm quite happy with the music.
even your father worked on the music part?
No, my father, he never went to school. Actually, he got failed in 9th class 3 times. And his dad was never been to school. So his theory was that landlord's son should not be a singer. That was his theory.
Okay.
Might be my dad was trying his principles upon me. That was generation gap. So I told him, fine, if you want me to do MBA or whatever, another degree, rather doing mass communication in Jamia, I'll follow you, because I don't want to hurt you. Because I was the only one guy whose dad was a farmer, and he was studying in such a wonderful college like IMT, where everybody was coming from either aristocratic or bureaucratic background. So I am definitely proud of my dad, my parents. And that was a very emotional moment when I took the decision, okay, fine dad, I'll not go into film industry. But yes, there was a naughty thought, let me first, there was a beautiful example between Tom and Jerry first, you have to thrive and you have to survive also, because, so I decided, let me feed myself and then I'll think over it. So I began my career at Birla's and then into film industry, after doing a couple of jobs into corporate sector.
Close, pull back, trolley, Rahul, प्रिया, माया जी, तीनों की आंखों में आंसू और कैमरा बस उसी एंगल में आके रुक जाता है.
What next? What are you looking for?
See, when I was leaving from Delhi railway station, I got a couple of scripts and I was very clear that I want to make a film for small town people who thinks that they are wonderful, they are looking good into the mirror and they can become hero like this. So that is the film Manoranjan. I'm not trying to be preach them or trying to give a social message. Second genre, I want to make about theatre people.
Okay.
I'm going to attempt a film called Muskurat. It's on the rivalry of two theatre groups. They are fighting over a girl because one is a professional group and second is an unprofessional group. I cannot reveal more than that because I'm under a contract with a corporate company. Yes, I'm excited about a second film that's called Maqsad. It will be the first film on the backdrop of Territorial Army, Pradeshik Sena. And there is a love story in between terrorism and international terrorism and army. I'm in the process of writing this film and I'm sure you might have heard this name, wonderful name, Dr. K.P. Saxena. He's written the dialogues of Lagan and Swadesh. He's going to write the dialogues of this film. So I'm not in more position to give you the details, but definitely I'm very keen to cast Om Puri, Sushant Singh and all wonderful actors in this film. Let's see.
And in your next movie, are you again going to take debutant actors or someone who is already established in the industry?
It depends. As I said that I was very confident with Manoranjan. People was laughing over me. They said, you have taken 32 actors. How you are going to handle them? I believe into, if you do the right kind of scripting and casting, then you are through. Again, I'm repeating this thing. Because, rest of the job you can do it on the sets. Because, either films are wonderfully made on the paper or either on the sets. You write 3 kind of scripts before shooting, at the time of shoot, and at the time of editing. What kind of script I'm going to put up, I don't know, which will be my second film. Because, both the films are going parallelly. If a script demands actors, definitely I'm going to cast actors. I'm not bothered. Now I'm not a struggling director. I've done a film. I'm confident. I was confident with my first film also. But now I'm double confident.